Hi everyone, today we'll dive into a fascinating yet challenging ethical dilemma in the tech world. The topic: should social media platforms prioritize freedom of speech or content moderations to prevent harm? This issue sparks a lot of debate. On one side, people advocate for free expression, saying it's cornerstone democracy. Social media platforms face the challenge of balancing two critical priorities: allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their opinions without censorship, moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior.
Good day, my name is Roland Patrick Ayacocho. I'm from Learn and Explore Montessori School and Yumsran. And the question is, should social media lean towards freedom of speech or stricter content moderation? I would choose the stricter content moderation kasi sa freedom of speech, hindi naman lahat ng bagay is nasasabi mo sa freedom of speech. Like, may nasasabi ka minsan na mali, may nasasabi ka minsan tama. Sa stricter content moderation, andun na kasi yung pagiging stricto, pagiging moderate ng isang tao. So, pag yun yung pinili, yun yung magandang piliin dahil yun yung mas ikakabuti ng lahat ng mga sa social media na gumagamit. Ako.
Thank you.
Allowing freedom of speech and letting users express their opinions without censorship. Moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. Unchecked misinformation can mislead people, causing confusion, fear, or even dangerous actions. Content moderation ensures students access coherent information for learning and decision making. When platforms actively moderate content, they become more reliable and ensuring students can use them confidently for education, collaboration, and success.
Moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. Allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their options without censorships. Foster creative and innovation. By providing a space for open expression, students can share and develop new ideas without fear, leading to innovative solutions and creative in academics, arts, and beyond. By engaging in open discussions, students learn to listen to and respect viewpoints, fostering empathy and collaboration in diverse groups.
Moderating content to prevent the spreads of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. Allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their opinions without censorship. Freedom of speech allows students to express their thoughts, learn diverse perspectives, and learn to analyze different viewpoints critically. This helps in building reasoning and problem-solving skills. It empowers students to stand up against injustice, ensuring their rights and freedom are upheld.
Moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. Allowing freedom to speech, letting users express their opinions without censorship. Free speech is a fundamental in a democracy. Learning to express, debate opinions prepares students to participate in social decisions and governance responsibly. Free speech allows students to question authority, critique unfair practices, and advocate for changes in policies or system promoting a fair and just environment.
Allowing freedom of speech, letting users experience their opinion without censorship. Prevent online violence and radicalization by removing content that incites violence or promotes extremist ideology. Moderate helps protect students from being exposed to dangerous influence online. Students, especially younger ones, are vulnerable to inappropriate content. Moderation ensures they are shielded from explicit violence or harmful materials that may impact their development.
Thank you.
Allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their opinions without censorship. Moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. Content moderation fosters a culture of respect by reducing hate speech and abusive language, encouraging positive and meaningful interactions among students. Moderation sets a standard for acceptable conduct online, teaching students the importance of ethics, responsibility, and accountability in digital interactions.
Moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. Allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their opinions without censorship. Builds confidence and communication skills. Expressing opinions in an open environment helps students build self-confidence and develop essential communication skills that are vital for personal and professional success. History has shown that censorship can suppress important ideas and influence by allowing free speech. Societies improve progress and progress.
Thank you.
Action.
Allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their opinions without censorships. Moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. So, for me, protect mental and emotional well-being. Moderating harmful content helps prevent bullying, hate speech, and harassment. Creating a safer online environment where students can interact without fear of harm or anxiety. Unchecked harmful content can escalate arguments, lead to real-world violence, or perpetuate division. Moderation helps de-escalate conflicts and promote constructive dialogue. Thank you.
Allowing freedom of speech, letting users express their opinions without censorship, moderating content to prevent the spread of misinformation, hate speech, and harmful behavior. A moderated space ensures that students feel comfortable expression this is without encountering offensive and harmful content.
Okay, thank you.